A very good morning to all the students. Today is in our online class. We did the question answers of this lesson, and due to some technical issues, I couldn't record the class. Every day I give my recording. I give the recording of my class, but due to some technical issues, I couldn't give you the recording. I couldn't start the recording, so I'm giving you this video. आई जस्ट थिंक यू डिडंट नीड दिस टाइप ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग बिकॉज हम लोग क्लास में बहुत रिविजन करते हैं ना, तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको रिकॉर्डिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं थी एनीवेज, ताकि आप बाद में भी देख सकें कि हम लोगों ने क्लास में क्या किया. दैट इज़ वाई आई एम गिविंग दिस. ठीक है. सो जो क्लास में हम लोगों ने किया है, हम लोगों ने किया क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ दिस लेसन 5 बर्ड्स बीक्स एंड क्लॉज. बच्चे आपको अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस मैं ये बताना चाह रही हूँ कि आप ये जान के रखें कि हमारे half yearly examination is going to be held very soon. For that you have to get yourself registered in Snapwork. आपको ऑनलाइन क्लासेस रेगुलर करने पड़ेंगे, है ना. और आपको ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए रजिस्टर्ड करना पड़ेगा स्नैपवर्क पे. सो स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. एंड सिलेबस, जहाँ तक सिलेबस की बात है, मैं बार बार बता रही हूँ कि लास्ट ईयर तक लेसन 5 ही था हमारे सिलेबस में, तो हम 5 तक पढ़ा के इसलिए छोड़े हैं. और आपको आई होप यू हैव बीन वेरी मच ऑनेस्ट. आप बड़े ऑनेस्टली हमने जितना तक करवाया है उसको किया है. मैं समझती हूँ कि हमारे बच्चे बहुत ऑनेस्ट हैं. दे आर डूइंग देयर वर्क प्रॉपरली एट होम ऑल्सो बिकॉज टीचर्स आर ऑनेस्टली टेकिंग देयर क्लासेस. हम भी आपको लगातार क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भेज रहे हैं ताकि आपको कोई दिक्कतें ना हो. सो आई होप यू आर ऑल्सो बीइंग वेरी मच ऑनेस्ट टू योर टीचर्स. Okay, so one day in coming week I have told you in online class also कि अगले वीक में किसी भी एक दिन मैं शेड्यूल करूँगी आपका क्लास, और मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके नोटबुक्स को देखूँगी कि देखूँ मैं कितने आप ऑनेस्ट हैं हमारे टूवर्ड्स मी, टूवर्ड्स योर पेरेंट्स, टूवर्ड्स योर स्कूल. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चंस डी और ई सेक्शन से ही आएंगे. 2 आपके छोटे वाले क्वेश्चन आएंगे, 2 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आएंगे. So the first question goes like this: what do birds use for preening their feathers? Birds use their beak for preening their feathers. Number 2: how is the crushing beak helpful to a pigeon? Crushing beak, the pigeon has got a crushing beak. They have a small beak which helps the seed which helps to crush the seed, makes it soft, and so that it can be easily gulped. Okay, what are claws? There was a confusion in the class. एक confusion था क्लास में claws को लेके. What is claws? What are claws? तो बच्चे very much clear कर लो अपने picture को. The claws are the sharp nails present on the feet of birds. That's all. Small answer. Sharp nails जो होते हैं, जो curved nails होते हैं, the curved sharp nails present on the feet of a bird is said to be the claws. Name 3 birds of prey. Before that, what is a bird of prey? So the birds which eat the smaller animals, hunt the smaller animals for their food, they are said to be the birds of prey. And अब जब मैंने आपको clue दे दिया है, you know what are the birds of prey? Yes, eagle, vulture, hawk. These are the birds of prey. 5th question: what prevents the body of crane and jacana from sinking in water? See, I'm going to show you the book again. Here you can see crane and jacana. These are the legs of crane. Here you see, this is crane. They have got long feet. The crane and jacana have long wide spreading toes, and this helps them to walk in shallow water or mud. The widely spread out toes prevent their body from sinking in water. Okay, so this was all about the question asked. How does they walk how does they prevent their body from sinking in water? So the body of crane and jacana have got crane and jacana have got long toes, long legs with widely spread out toes, and these help them to prevent their body from sinking in water. Next, write 2 main uses of beak. अरे 2 main uses of beak हमने बहुत सारा पढ़ा है, आपको सिर्फ 2 लिखना है. They use their beak for preening, they use their beak for holding food, they use their beak for crushing. So you can write any two. Beak से वो क्या करते हैं? They fight करते हैं, they hold the food, they crush the seed, like that. How are claws helpful to a bird? Claws are helpful. Again, आप इसके में भी बहुत सारे हैं. They help to hold the food, they help to swim, they help to scratch the ground, like that. How does a swallow catch its food? swallow कैसे catch करता है? Swallow has a small beak which is sticky from inside. So this sticky beak helps the swallow to catch the flying insect. How do web feet help a duck to swim? Duck has 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. और ये तीनों toes, they are joined by a thin membrane which gives it appearance of gives it a flat appearance, which works like a pedal while swimming in water. What type of feet do the scratching birds have? Scratching birds have strong feet with sharp claws in front, which helps the the birds to scratch the ground in search of food like worms, insects, etc. So this was all about. I have given you the question answers in WhatsApp group also. Bachche, again a request, don't leave your examination, be particular examinations ko do. Start paying attention on your studies. Being at home, you can spare more of your time for studies. I know it's very hard time for you all also, because all the time your parents are also telling about studies. But बच्चे, now we cannot help out. We cannot help it out. हमें इसी में रहना है, हमें करना है, and we cannot leave our studies behind, isn't it? तो पढ़ना शुरू करें, good boys and girls की तरह, and all the best for your coming test. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.